Okay, right here we have Yamaha acoustic fs800 coming in for setup work. As usual, before I do anything else, I will do a full assessment of the guitar itself. Apart from a setup work, the guitar also needs to change the tuners. So yeah, that will be maybe in the future. So this is the full process. Take a look at the before and after. I see you soon. Bye. Okay, guitar is all good. Like I mentioned before, the tuners probably need to change because especially the E string, this one, it has a lot of slack. So I tune up the guitar action has been brought down. It's a bit more comfortable to play, actually a whole lot more comfortable to play. So this is a test. you soon. Okay, if you like the content, don't forget to subscribe or give a thumbs up. If you have any questions, you can WhatsApp me on 84189951. I see you soon. Bye.